Hello guys, welcome back to Dark Angels Intuition. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back sa mga palaging nag-aabang ng mga reading ko. Thank you so much sa mga nagda-like, share, and comments. Especially, okay, thank you so much for doing that. I really do appreciate that, guys. And thank you sa mga new subscribers. Welcome to my channel and hope na magugustuhan nyo yung mga other readings ko and my previous reading and my past reading. There are most of them are timeless reading except lang sa mga zodiac signs, and the rest are timeless reading. So anyway, sa mga bago at hindi pa nakapag-subscribe and nandito nanonood ng reading na to, if you think you like what I'm doing right now, if you think na naka-resonate kayo and the rest of my reading, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, Dark Angels Intuition, and tap that notification bell and get notified because I always post every other 2 days or 3 days. Yun. So let's start. This is a general love reading. Takes what resonates and leave the rest. Hindi lahat maka-resonate sa reading na to, okay? So pwede itong vice versa. As I always said, this is a timeless reading. So kung kailan nyo ito mapanood, and if naka-resonate kayo, it could be for you. Okay? So I'm going to pull an oracle card. This is an Island Time Wellness oracle card for this reading. Okay. Oh, mask. Ibig sabihin, merong pretending. Okay? So, not showing true feelings, hide personality, or personify, pretend, delude, gaslighting. So, some of you are pretending na hindi nararamdaman yung mga nararamdaman. So, tignan natin. Ano yung gusto niyang sabihin sa'yo? Anong gustong sabihin ng person mo sa'yo? Anong gustong sabihin ni person sa'yo? We will be together again. So, I'm going to pick 3 actually. Don't you know how hard it was to let you go? I remember every detail of that day. So, I can sense siya yung nagpe-pretend. Or you might be you. But let's see. What is happening? So, unahin natin yung una niyang sinabi sa'yo. We will be together again. So, let's see kung bakit you will be together again. Bakit yun yung sinabi niya sa'yo. Okay? Because might be, it's either madami na kayong pinagdaanan ng person na to, matagal na kayo, or it's either this person is still feel the connection. Sobrang connected pa din talaga siya sa'yo. Kaya, yun yung sinabi niya, we will still be together again. Might be this person really decided to. Parang, andun sa point na, sa ngayon, aalis muna ako. Nag-decide siya na umalis dito. Siguro tumahimik, something like that. Pero, ando siya sa point na alam niya na there's a tendency na babalik pa din talaga siya because of the connection na meron kayong dalawa. Siguro giving space yung nakukuha ko dito sa reading na to. Parang andun sa point that might be andun siya sa point na mayroon na kayong imbalance sa relationship ninyo, sa katagalan na ng relasyon ninyo, and might be this person is giving you space this time when the point na parang hindi na alam kung anong decision about sa situation ninyo ngayon. So kaya we will be together again because this person wanted to give you parang pag-asa na mag-aayos pa din tayo kahit papaano. Dahil siguro para nangyari na din siguro to sa inyo before, dahil siguro matagal na kayo, madami na kayong pinagdaanan, because baka pinagdaanan nyo na din to, then suddenly napagdaanan nyo na ulit yung problema nito. So parang para sa kanya maayos din tayo, parang don't worry, parang ganun, aalis muna ako ngayon, ayusin ko muna yung buhay ko, I will give us a space, so maybe hindi kayo nag-uusap ngayon, pero para sa kanya ipaglalaban ko pa din to, parang ganun. Or it's either na siguro nagkaroon ng other option, hindi niya alam kung saan siya patutungo this time, but then might be this person just wanted na gusto niya muna makapag-isa at magtahimik. Siguro inayos niya siguro to, tapos hindi naayos kasi nga nagkaroon ng tuksuhan, something like that, so hindi alam kung saan patutungo. Pero para sa kanya is maayos pa din to one day, ayusin din namin to, parang ganun. But this person walk away emotionally. Ginawa niya to kasi para siguro tumahimik na sitwasyon, maging tahimik na lang ang lahat, para wala nang gulo, wala nang away. So kasi sabi niya kasi dito, you don't know how hard it was to let you go. So let's see why sabi niya ng ganito sa'yo. Bakit niya to sinabi? You don't know how hard it was to let you go. So because this person really wanted to talk to you and wanted even to offer you a new beginning, pagdating talaga sa changes na gusto niyang ikaw yung makasama niya through changes of his life, and still wanted to have parang to save your relationship, parang mahal ka pa din talaga ng taong ito, kasi kaya hindi basta-basta yung mga naramdaman niya din sa kanya nung time na nag-let go siya. Andun lang talaga sa point na nagkaroon talaga dito ng option. Dito din sa una, hindi niya alam kung saan siya patutungo, saan siya mag-move forward. Pero meron pa din siyang feeling na alam niyang magkakaayos pa din kayong dalawa. Magkakaroon pa din kayo ng communication at maaayos pa din kayo. So parang sa kanya siguro, sa mga nangyari, sa mga pagkakamali niya, pero itong vice versa, okay? Parang alam niya na ayusin ko din yung buhay ko, and kung gusto ko sa time na pag-aayos ng buhay ko, sa pagbabalik ko nandyan ka pa din, kasi gusto ko ikaw pa din yung mga kasama ko. Siguro sadyang I can sense a Gemini sign here. It's either Gemini or Aries sign you might be dealing with. Okay, so you might be dealing also with a Pisces sign. Why did I say Pisces? I should say Cancer. Might be Pisces sign. So Cancer sign, Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, yun yung nakikita ko, might be on your side or on your person's side. So check your placement, guys. Okay, or Capricorn sign. Yun nga, Capricorn sign. So alam niyang babalik pa din siya pag maayos ng lahat. Alam niyang sa'yo pa din siya babalik one day. So, ibig sabihin, parang nasanay na din siya talaga sa'yo, na kung sakaling noon nag-aaway kayo, then hindi nagpapansinan, or parang alam niyang bumabalik at bumabalik pa din talaga siya sa'yo, or alam mo. So, let's see. I remember every detail of that day. Why? What happened? Bakit niya nasabi to sa'yo? I remember every detail of that day. So, let's see. So, let's see. Siguro what he did remember here is yung fight ninyo. May nangyaring arguments and fight, and might be ikaw din na naging strong person ka dito. Iniwasan mo siya. Kinat off mo to. Hindi mo siya pinansin dahil sa hindi mo na na-appreciate yung mga nangyari. Hindi na kayo nag-uusap. Isa na din dito siguro dahil sa you are the one who cut off him into your life because sa mga pagsisinungaling niya sa'yo. Kasi feeling ko nagsinungaling siya dito. So, that day siguro, nung time na he don't want, or this person, he or she don't want to let go of you dahil nga siguro mapag-usapan lang natin to, ang tagal na natin, nangyari na to sa atin before, patawarin mo ako, sana pag-usapan natin to. Siguro that day, hindi mo na pinayagan yung person mo. Hindi mo na pinayagan na basta lang mag-explain siya and then patawarin mo na ulit kasi you did really cut off this person into your life noong time na nag-away kayo, and hindi mo na siya pinansin talaga dahil sobrang disappointed ka na sa mga ginawa niya at hindi mo na siya kinausap. That day, nung time na yon, siguro feeling ko sa reading na to, nasanay siya sa'yo. Nasanay siya sa'yo na pinapatawad mo lang siya. Kaya that day was the very much memorable sa kanya nung time na nag-decide ka talaga na ayoko na. I remember every detail of that day, yung pagkaaway ninyo. Might be, yun yung nangyari, na akala niya, mapapatawad mo lang siya ulit sa mga ginawa niya, but then that day, you really did cut him off or her off into your life, and hindi niya ito makalimutan. So, dito siya nagkaroon ng parang pagsisisi sa ginawa niya. I can sense about this person. I can sense here na itong person na to, madami na tong ginawang kasalanan sa'yo. It's either cheating, it's either lying, it's either anything. Kung saan man kayo naka-resonate. Pero pinapatawad mo lang siya ng paulit-ulit. So, I can see Gemini sign, I can see Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, Pisces sign is also here, Cancer. So, paulit-ulit. Then, paulit-ulit mo din siyang pinapatawad. So, para sa kanya, nasanay siya ng ganun. And then, andun siya sa point na nakaka-realize naman siya. Pero nangyayari pa din yun. And then, pinapatawad mo na naman siya. Kaya sinabi niya dito na, we will be together again. Kasi alam niya, before, ganito nagiging together again lang kayo every time na nagkakaroon kayo ng mabigat na problema or nag-aaway kayo. So, nung time na nagdesisyon ka talaga, kaya naging memorable yun sa kanya. Kasi, parang, eto na yun mas. You pretend that you don't feel the same thing anymore. You are showing, parang, you are not showing your true feelings. Alam mo yung, gustuhin mo man siya tanggapin at patawarin ulit. Pero, parang this time, parang inano mo talaga na no, hindi. Kailangan talaga na bigyan siya ng lesson dito. Kailangan ako mag-pretend na hindi ko na siya mahal. Kailangan ko mag-pretend na i-cut off ko na to. You hide your true feelings here. And what you did here is really, you did cut off this person in your life. No doubt. Hindi mo pinakinggan siya. Hindi mo pinakinggan yung mga sinasabi niya, gaya ng before. Hindi mo pinakinggan yung and hindi mo na siya kinausap. Nung time na yon, sabi niya nga, you don't know how hard it was to let you go because nasanay siya sa'yo. Doon niya na-realize yung worth mo. And you, parang adun sa point, ikaw yung nag-gaslight sa kanya. Okay? Parang adun sa point na you did hide your true feelings because you wanted to be strong person right now. Okay, yun. So, let's see. So, what is happening right now? So, anyway, tignan natin kung ano yung nararamdaman mo sa person mo ngayon na ganito ang hindi na kayo nag-uusap dahil sa desisyon mo. Ano yung nararamdaman mo ngayon? Okay, let's see. Honestly, yung feelings mo dito, confused. So, confused ka talaga dito about sa nararamdaman mo. Kaya nga you are pretending. Hindi mo alam kung ipaglaban mo ba tong relasyon na to balik or sadyang hayaan mo na lang. Parang you are blindly fighting this time for yourself. Ang all you really wanted to do is maging matured lang siya sa mga nangyayari. I can sense your kindness here. Naramdaman ko yun, yung kindness mo, generosity mo, yung you are someone is really worth it para mahalin talaga. You are very much a lot of patience in this relationship and sacrifices. Gusto mo lang kasi talaga na mabigyan ka ng matatag na relasyon, na maging matured enough siya to focus on your relationship. That is all you wanted from this person. But honestly, this time, you are trying your best to move on. You are really trying your best. Hindi madali sa'yo. Hindi to madali sa'yo, but you are trying your best here. You really wanted. Parang nakaramdam ka ng freedom, however, pero confused ka. Kaya nga, hindi mo alam, it's either tanggapin mo siya ulit, or kausapin mo siya ulit, ipaglaban mo, or just to accept the freedom na meron ka ngayon. I can see that dito ka sa point of you wanted to focus on yourself right now, sa sarili mo, sa goals mo, kung ano man you wanted to focus, because andun ka na sa point na nagiging high priestess ka na. Kung before tanga-tanga ka sa mga nangyayari, kahit alam mo na, this time parang nagiging high priestess ka, nagiging smart person ka. Parang para sa'yo dito, this time hindi ka na basta-basta lang na naloloko, basta-basta lang nakukuha balik, because you know already, you have the idea, you gathered information, parang anything like that, naging strong person ka na. You are not innocent about what is happening anymore. But I can see here through your separation or hindi nyo pag-uusap, you still wanted na maayos kayong dalawa. You still manifesting this person to come back to fight for you. Yun pa din yung gusto mong mangyari. Parang sa decision na ginawa mo sa kanya, parang gusto mo pa din na ligawan ka niya ulit or suyuin ka niya ulit na maging maayos kayo ulit. Kasi nasanay ka din before or recently sa mga nangyayari sa inyo na ganun eh. Pag susuyuin ka na niya, parang nagpapatawad ka. And parang gusto mo ganun pa din yung mangyari. But you are trying your best to move on here. And you are thinking a lot. Parang nagso-soul searching ka dito. Yet, you still feel trapped in this connection. Trap ka because you really love that person. You want that person na suyuin ka balik. Pero andun ka din sa point of trap ka kasi you wanted to embrace the freedom na meron ka ngayon. So, you are very much confused. Yun yung feeling mo dito. So, let's see about your person's feeling. So, yung feeling niya dito is he wanted to end this cycle. Itong hindi niyo pag-uusap. Gusto niyang i-end to have a changes this time. Gusto niyang bumalik sa'yo at suyuin ka talaga. This person will going to come back to you and offer you love. The thing here is, meron siyang feeling na ayaw mo na talaga siyang tanggapin. Baka ma-regret, baka hindi mo siya, baka you will going to cut off again, baka this time around porsigido ka na talaga sa desisyon mo, baka sa kahit anong suyo niyang gawin sa'yo is hindi mo na talaga siya tanggapin, you know. Yun yung iniisip niya, yun yung nararamdaman niya, kasi yun yung ginawa mo, and until now hindi na kayo nag-uusap pa. So ang ginawa niya ngayon is nagpaplano siya. Nagpaplano siya kung paano kanya kausapin. So, this person is planning kung paano ko kaya suyuin itong taong ito balik, na which is in a different way. Kasi, iba na parang ibang level na to. So, yun yung iniisip niya ngayon, because this person really wanted na mabalik kayo sa dati, happiness, moments. So, pero this person will really going to gain strength or maglakas na loob talaga na to fix your relationship. Even if ganito na yung mga feelings. So andun lang siya sa point na meron talagang cheating na nangyari dito. Yung pagkakamali niya, yung nagkaroon siya ng option sa relationship ninyo. And parang he really needs to decide this time sa pagbabalik niya. Kailangan na to make sure na hindi ka na masasaktan ulit. Parang ganun yung nararamdaman niya. Kasi gusto niya talaga na maayos kayong dalawa. This person will really going to offer you a new beginning. Communication, any new beginnings here. Because this person still love you. Okay? So, what you need to know about the connection. Ano yung pwedeng mangyari sa inyo? And this is for the last drop of cards. Tignan natin kung ano yung pwedeng mangyari. So, you might be a Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or your person might be, or you might be an Aries, Sagittarius, Leo, or a Pisces sign. So, ano yung kailangan nyong malaman about this reading? Honestly, magiging practical ka dito sa sitwasyon na to. You will going to try your hard, your best na maging practical ka. Ibig sabihin, you will really going to try to move on and hindi masyadong damdamin yung mga nangyari. Like, the pretending. That showing that you are okay. You are focusing on your goal. Parang, hindi, kung noon, you are very much open sa kanya, sa mga nararamdaman mo, umiiyak ka sa harap niya, tinatapon mo lahat ng sakit. Ngayon, parang, nag-close off ka, parang you are trying to pretend na you are okay. I can understand and I can accept, parang ganun. Ito yung pwedeng mangyari sa'yo, but then ang hirap sa'yo makamove on. Ang sakit pa din sa'yo about yung mga nangyari, and I can still see here that hindi ka sure sa pag-move on na to. It's just, you just really wanted to show this person na ito na ako ngayon. So, ito na yung nangyayari sa akin. And you just really wanted to show this person, but you are not really sure kasi masakit pa talaga to sa'yo. Hindi ka pa naka-move on from this person and you are still waiting for this person to come back. And yet, about your person, I can see here, bakit ganito yung pinapakita mo? Kasi when this person came back to offer you love, if ever, in the future, so kasi this is what you need to know, so this could be in the future, parang ando sa point na nilalaban mo na yung karapatan mo ngayon. Nilalaban mo yung nararamdaman mo. So, nagkakaroon kayo ng arguments, confrontation, but then, what you need to know, magkakaayos pa din kayo. The Lover's card, you might be twin flame connection. Wow. 2 readings straight twin flame connection. You might be twin flame. We never know. Kasi this Lover's card considered to be a twin flame connection. Could be also not. Okay? Could be soulmate. Something like that. So, kasi magkakaayos pa din kayong dalawa. Kasi you are still very much connected to each other. Kaya nga siya bumalik. So, all you wanted here is your justice about what happened. Kaya nagiging ganito ka. Parang to make sure na hindi ka na, parang may isip niya at mararamdaman niya na hindi na ako katulad noon. So, kaya ko nang mabuhay nang wala ka. Kung gagawin mo pa sa akin ulit, bahala ka na, parang ganon. So, yun yung pinapakita mo sa yun, the stronger side of you. Yun yung pinapakita mo sa kanya ngayon. Kasi, I think this person really will going to try his or her best or mag-gain siya ng strength talaga dito na ma-fix yung relationship ninyo. Even if hindi siya sure, he will going to take the leap of faith towards a new beginning with you. Para maayos kayong dalawa ulit, magkasama kayo ulit, at makompleto kayo ulit. So, yun. So, and there's a tendency na this time, mag-offer siya sa'yo ng new beginning. It's not quite easy because this is the Ace of Pentacles. So, ang dami niyang kailangan i-prove, ang dami niyang kailangan i-effort para makuha niya balik yung trust mo. Ang kailangan niya, of course, mag-focus na this time para para maayos na kayong dalawa, para hindi na cold yung situation ninyo. So, I'm going to pull an oracle card here about this connection. Okay. So, life is a series of constantly shifting cycles. When you resist change, we resist the natural flow of life and create unnecessary stress. Go with the flow. You will be surprised where it leads. So, just go with the flow. Just, if ganito na yung sitwasyon na nangyari sa inyo, don't force anything na hindi nyo kayang i-force, or don't control anything na hindi nyo kailangan i-control. Just go with the flow. Simply itong reading na to, I don't think na kailangan niya pa ng advice kasi okay lang naman siya para sa akin. If you are really meant to be, then you are meant to be. You don't have to, parang wala naman ako nakita talagang controllingness dito sa side mo. But I think dito sa side ng person, yeah. It's just, I can see the changes. Yung life changes dito. Nag-shift. Okay? Parang nag-shift dito. Or kailangan ng shipment sa inyong dalawa. Na kailangan this time around, hindi na ganito, hindi na ganyan. Kailangan may pagbabago na. Hindi pwedeng gaya ng dati. Kasi wala talagang mangyayari kung gaya ng dati yung story ninyo. Then mababalik pa din siya this time in your first, second, third, or na pagpabalikan, wala talaga mangyayari sa inyo. So, it needs to have changes talaga. So, it needs to have some shifting cycles this time para maging maayos ang lahat. So, go with the flow. Everything will go on the right direction as God wants. If it's really meant to be, then it will be. That is my reading for you. Thank you and God bless.